Welcome to Divine Wellness with Lotus Love. I'm Franki Henriques. I thought I would share with you the unboxing of the Angelic Vibration cards by Josephine Wall. This deck is absolutely gorgeous, and if you followed some of my readings, you'll see I use a lot of her decks. Absolutely love them. They're beautiful and they resonate with so many people. It's a 50 card deck. It does come with a booklet with an explanation of every single card, some information on how to do the spread if you want to do a spread. Just beautiful, simple explanations of the cards. In the back, there is a great little little information about Josephine Wall, the artist. And I thought I would go through them with you one by one. Excuse me. So here we go. Solace. Number 2, relaxation. Number 3, inner abundance. They're just so gorgeous. Number 4, listening. Cardstock is really nice too. It's somewhat glossy, but not too glossy. A little matte finish. Number 5, words. Number 6, embracing the new. Number 7, I did well. Number 8, new ideas. Number 9, kindness. Number 10, pausing. 11, dependency. 12, you are looked after. 13, reviewing relationships. 14, love never ends. Look how gorgeous that is. 15, inner being. 16, fear. 17, humility. 18, togetherness. 19, awareness. Number 20, blessings. 21, inner beauty. 22, doubt. 23, reflectiveness. 24, discrimination. 25, balance. 26, gratitude. 27, forgiveness. 28, love of animals. 29, letting go. 30, the folly of pride. 31, responsibility. 32, courage. 33, self-acceptance. Look how beautiful that is. Oh, another gorgeous one. 34, hospitality. 35, independence. 36, wishful thinking. Now don't quote me, but I'm pretty sure some of these may be new, but it looks like a lot of these cards are individual pictures of other cards, but they're blown up with just that one individual meaning, but I'm not 100% sure. I will have to clarify that for you. 37, caring. 38, growing older. 39, plans. Number 40, persistence. 41, support. This one's absolutely gorgeous. 42, healing in the now. 43, patience. 44, beware of distractions. 45, sadness. 46, hope. 47, faithfulness. 48, happiness. 49, dreams. And last but not least, 50, freedom. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, and I look forward to using them in the future.